What's up, y'all? It's Jimmy coming to you guys with another video. Before we get into the video, as always, make sure to rate, comment, subscribe. And when you guys hit subscribe, please make sure you guys are hitting that notification button. So getting right into the video, I have shown you guys a couple of fitteds before in my June pickup video, and I also made a video on how to curve your brim for fitted. So if you guys haven't checked out those videos, please make sure you guys go do. But this video here is going to be me showing you guys my most recent hat pickup from Hat Club. So if you guys don't know, fitteds are going absolutely crazy right now. You know, I don't know if it's because I'm currently very interested in fitteds. I'm not necessarily buying into the hype, I'll say, kinda to some degree, because every hat that comes out, not every hat, but all the fire hats, I'm really wanting to cop them and I'm going for them. But I will say it does seem like the fitted community is peaking right now, and if not peaking, it seems like they're on the up and up because more and more people seem interested in fitteds. And specifically, if you're in the fitteds, there are several companies, different stores that release fitteds. Of course, you have your major retailers like Lids, Vans, I believe is a store, and there's a couple other stores that you can go to at the mall. And the store that we have here is Hat Club. So they do have hat clubs at malls and all that, but this hat club specifically, if you want to get this specific hat, you do have to go to New York at their NoHo location. Otherwise, if you go to any of the other hat clubs, you're going to find general releases in which you'd find at a Lid. But without further ado, not taking up too much of y'all's time, it is just one hat, so I can go through this fairly quickly. I got a hat from Hat Club and I do want to show you guys. I have unboxed it already, so it's not really an unboxing. But a little bit about this hat right here. It is from the Hat Club's Daybreaker Collection. I think they announce every collection that they're gonna drop on Saturday, I believe a couple days before, so on Thursday or something like that. So for this hat here, Hat Club was like, yo, wake up at California sunrise, which is about, I think, 4:50 Pacific Standard Time. So over here it was almost 7, something along those lines. I don't remember because I woke up and I really lucked out because I woke up on time. I wasn't even planning on trying to cop the hat, but I woke up, still had time before the hat actually dropped, got on my phone, and I managed to cop it manually. And if you guys are interested in how I cop off Hat Club manually, I have hit 3 times already, and I really just only tried, I tried a couple times, but I haven't been able to hit on most of the hats I want from Hat Club. So if you guys are interested in how I set everything up, shoot me a DM on Instagram, shoot me a comment on here, and I can reply back to you, because hitting on Hat Club is very hard. It's kind of like the sneakers nowadays, but it's not impossible. But moving back to the hat, like I said, this is from Hat Club's Daybreaker Collection, basically covering all the colors, all the different hues that are involved with a sunrise. I think I might have said sunset earlier, but I meant sunrise. So Daybreaker, when the day breaks, right when the sun is finally rising. So I think they did an excellent job at coloring this hat. And the hat I got, if you guys don't know, I am from Houston, motherfucking Texas. So, I had to go ahead and cop the Astros hat. This right here was the only Astros hat they dropped. Typically for bigger market teams like LA, New York Yankees, they'll drop 2 hats in 3 of the different colors. So you have more options when you go for those type of teams. But for the Astros, they only went with this one color here. And I'm not hating it at all. I think it's actually pretty fire. So you guys can see the overall hat is this almost very bright team orange. The exact colors of the hat, I'm not too sure, but I will say it's almost perfect because this is very similar to the orange that is on the Astros jersey. I know that jersey has navy blue and white, and this has yellow and red and a lighter orange, but nonetheless I could picture that being kind of a cool combo if you were going to the game. But overall, the hat is in that orange color. Your new era flag is in a tonal orange, so it doesn't pop or anything like that, but sometimes when this is tonal, it actually looks a lot better in my opinion. And over here you have your side patch. So thing with side patches is some people love them, some people hate them. Some people really love plain Janes just because, it's a simple hat, right? Something you could wear a lot. But I'll say Hat Club did this patch really good right here. It is their 45th anniversary Astros patch, My only gripe about this patch is at the very bottom, the Astros star is kind of messed up. It's not stitched in super clean, but I know when you get to that point, you know, it is a lot harder to stitch fine detail. Overall though, the coloring of the patch is absolute fire. You know, just taking a closer look at that, you guys can see that is a really clean patch right there. And I know you guys can already see, but I just want to point it out. The button at the very top and then the little air vents are all in that same tonal orange. Sometime New Era does change up the colors on that, so you have to see it is all one solid orange hat. And then moving on to the batterman on the back, you have a flat batterman, and then the stitching on that is actually very nice as well. It's in like gold, so the main batterman is in gold, and then on the right side of the batterman you have that maroon stitching, and then on the left hand side you basically have the same team orange. Really clean batterman right there. I like how they did that. You have white guts. I personally don't like white guts. I do see why people do, just because it does kind of offer the hat a cleaner look. But to be honest, living in Texas, and living anywhere really, like, you're gonna naturally sweat wherever you go. It's not like we live in, even if you live in like California where the weather is perfect, you're gonna be sweating here and there. So this is gonna get, not even over time, it's gonna get dirty maybe after 2 weeks of constant wear, unless you maybe clean your hats all the time or something like that. But for the normal daily wear, this is gonna get dirty pretty quick. And then the underbrim of the hat is in that maroon red. I think that's a really clean look. They could have gone with yellow or I guess any other color, but I think the red right there fits with the hat really well. And then of course, last but not least, you have your Astros star. I will say this is my favorite Astro star. There's another one I really like, and I think that one is a little bit older than this one. It's where the star is a little bit longer. I'll post a picture of it if you guys haven't seen it yet, but that logo is really clean. And then this probably is my favorite, and that one is second. The one with the H is cool because I guess it's a classic and what I grew up with, but this right here just has such of a, I don't know, like a nostalgic vintage look to it that I really appreciate. But the star right here is not just your simple star. Your star is primarily red stitching that pops out, and then you have an outline in yellow, and then as well you do have an orange stitching that kind of blends in with the hat but still looks really nice. But yeah, that is the Hat Club Daybreakers Astro cap. I got this in a size 7.5. This was 100% polyester, and this was made in Bangladesh. I know everyone has their own preference of where their hats are made. Personally, I'm not the biggest fan of Bangladesh, but I will say this hat, it fits pretty good. So no complaints there. And then the overall shape of it is pretty good as well. I think resale on this right now is about $100 or so, which maybe for some isn't too bad, but I'll say I am not gonna pay resale for a hat, especially not in 3 digits, because at that point, I know it's a little bit cheaper, but at that point you're almost like buying a shoe, because you can find some pretty fire shoes for $100. So that to me, the sneakerhead inside me was just saying like, yo, hats are super dope, but to pay as much as you would for shoes for a hat is, in my mind, just something that I can't really do. But I know other people do it, and at the end of the day, if that's something you value, then hey, I'm not gonna knock it. And I almost forgot to mention, the hat comes with this really cool pin right there. It's an alarm clock that's broken, and it says Hat Club right there. This was a little thrown on addition, and that actually didn't even come with my package when it first came. I had to contact customer service, and I will say Hat Club customer service is on point. They are super courteous, super quick to respond. So if you guys ever order from them and something goes wrong, shoot them an email and they will definitely get you right. But you guys just saw my most recent fitted pickup. I actually did pick up, I think, 4 other hats in the past 3 days. So I don't have those with me now, but I will do a video on those, and I'll probably do just like an actual haul video, so it's not just like 4 videos of a single hat, because I know this can get a little boring. But I did want to show you guys maybe like a little unboxing every time I get something from Hat Club, if I do manage to hit every week, because even though I have been able to cop, they do still sell out. But it's gonna wrap up this little unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little look at this Astros hat. I know a lot of people don't mess with the Astros because of everything that happened, but hey, still gotta rep the home team. What can I say, right? Like, it's not like I can abandon my roots from Houston and then go with the team from Dallas. So still gonna be rocking with the Astros till I die. But dope hat, super excited to wear this for the summertime. Until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.